Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we will discuss one topic on numerical analysis. So this topic is very important because this topic is related to differential equation. So normally we know that when some differential equation is given to us, we can solve that. There are huge number of methods are there for solving differential equation. There are linear equation, non-linear equation, system of equation, huge varieties are there and various processes are there to solve this differential equation. But then also some of the equation may not be solvable or some of the equation is not very easy to solve using the conventional method or it may be very much lengthy. So what we can do in that time, we can approach the numerical algorithm or the numerical method to solve that. So today's topic is numerical solution of ODE. Now, before starting the topic, you need to know something about ODE. So, ordinary differential equation will be something of this form, say dy dx equals to f of xy. Now, this equation, you look into this equation, this derivative is ordinary derivative, so that's why this is ordinary differential equation. And in this equation, the order is 1. Order is denoted that how many times derivative has done. So order is 1. If I change this equation, then order will be 2. Understand? And degree, how to calculate the degree? Suppose this term is determining the order. So what is the power of this term? The power is 1, so degree is 1. So this is some of the differential equation idea. Then suppose, let me take one differential equation, dy dx equals to x. So if I just solve this, it is dy equals to x times dx. So y equals to x square by 2 plus some constant c. Okay. So whenever we solve any differential equation, the integration, after the integration, when we solve that, we got an arbitrary constant, say c or any alphabet you can denote it. Now you see there is one very important thing, the order is 1, so we will get one constant. So the key fact is that if order is n, number of constant will be n. Okay. Now if I want to find the value of the constant, I need conditions. Now how many conditions do I need? So whatever the number of constant will be there, maximum that much condition is needed. So here in this case the number of constant is 1, so we need one condition, say y of 0 equals to 1. This is the condition. What is the meaning of this condition? The meaning is that when x equals to 0, then y equals to 1. So inside bracket this is x. So when x equals to 0, y value is 1. Now if I put here, so x equals to 0, y equals to 1, so it should be 1 equals to 0 square by 2 plus c, so it will give us c equals to 1. So what is the final solution? The solution is y equals to x square by 2 plus 1. Understand? So this is some of the things which you need to understand. So if order is n, then number of conditions will be also n. Next, there is one more concept which is called initial value problem and boundary value problem. So what is the meaning of initial value problem? When all the conditions are given at a particular point, then it is told initial value problem. Suppose let me give some general example, say d2y dx2 equals to f of xy. Now look into this one, the order is 2. So for solving this, we need maximum 2 conditions. Say one condition is y of 0 equals to say a and y dash of 0 equals to b. Now if this is a problem, if this is the structure of the problem, then you see all the conditions are given at a particular point 0. So this problem is initial value problem, or sometimes it is denoted by IVP. What is boundary value problem? When conditions are given in a different point. Say the same problem we are giving d2y dx2 equals to f of xy. The condition is y of 0 equals to a and y dash of 1 equals to b. See, the solution or the main problem is same. What is the difference? The difference is in the condition. In this case, first condition is at x equals to 0 and the second condition is at x equals to 1. So we are using two values of x. So it is boundary value problem. So this type of questions may be asked in many interviews or many competitive examination. What is initial value problem? What is boundary value problem? So the basic idea is that within bracket these values has to be same for initial value problem, and within bracket the values has to be different for boundary value problem. Now we will be basically solving initial value problem. So if I discuss, say, the first method, which is called Picard method. So what will be given to us? Given is dy dx equals to f of xy and y of x naught equals to y naught. So now look into this one. What is given to us? First order differential equation. So first order means only one condition is important, needed. So that is the condition. So this is one initial value problem. So when x equals to x naught, then y equals to y naught. Now what is the role of Picard's method? How to solve this? First we take this one. Carefully you see this one. So dy can be written f of xy dx. So what we have done? Dy can be written f of xy dx. Then we integrate both sides. See, this is y naught. So y naught to y, x naught to x. Understand? And when we will be doing this one, see, in the left hand side there is no problem. There is y variable, so y and y naught. Right hand side there are two variables, x and y. But we are taking the integration with respect to x. So what about y? So y you should put y naught. So now this is becoming a function of x. So now if I integrate the left hand side, it is y. So y and y naught, right hand side is same, x naught to x, f of. So if you just put this value, it will be y minus y naught equals to integration x naught to x, f of x y naught dx. So y equals to y naught plus integration x naught to x, f of x y naught. So what we have got? There we have got y equals to y naught plus integration x naught to x, f of x y naught dx. Okay. Now say we have incorporated y naught. So after evaluating this value, whatever we will be getting, that will be called as y1. So now y naught was given, we are getting y1. Now what about the formula of y2? Y2 should be, say, there is one mistake is doing. When I want to find y2, many people are writing y1 plus the same formula So that is here it was 1, so it is 1 less, so 0 x y0 dx. But when I will write 2, it should not be y1, it should be always y0. So don't change this term, only you replace this y1 within the integration sign. Okay, so I get y2, so what will be y3? y0, this one will not change, within integration you change x0 to x f of x y2 dx. So we get from y0 we get y1, from y1 we get y2, from y2 we get y3, and so on. So in general, if I write yn, that should be equals to y0, the first term will be y0 plus integration x0 to x f of x, it is n, so it should be 1 less, so n minus 1 dx. So this is the final Picard form. Okay, let me do one problem, then you can understand properly. So let me just write a problem. Solve dy dx equals to y minus x, y of 0 equals to 1 at x equals to 0.2 using Picard method. Now look into this one. So what is given? This portion is given to us, and what we have to find? The value of y at 0.2. So this will come afterwards. So first of all we have to solve this one. So now look into this one. If I compare with the previous one, so dy dx is y minus x. So that means this is f of xy, because the previous one it was dy dx equals to f of xy. So this one is f of xy, and y of x0, y of 0 equals to 1. So in previous one it was y of x0 equals to y0. So that means x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So this information is there in our hand. So what will be the first formula? y1 equals to y0 plus x0 to x f of x y0 dx. Now you write this formula, then you can put this value. What is y0? y0 is 1 plus x0 is 0. So 0 to x f of x y0 is again 1 dx. So you understand what we have done? We have written the original formula, then we put all value. y0 is 1, 0, x0 is 0, f of x comma 1 dx. So now if I simplify this one, so y1 I get 1 plus integration 0 to x, it was f of xy, okay, f of xy was y minus x, so it should be 1 minus x dx. So that is 1 plus, it should be x minus x square by 2, 0 to x. So we get 1 plus x minus x square by 2. So this is our y1. What about y2? The formula for y2 was y0 plus integration x0 to x f of x y1 dx. Now y0 was 1, integration x0 was 0, so 0 to x f of x y1 means this one, 1 plus x minus x square by 2 dx. So this is 1 plus, Now f of xy means the second one minus first one, y minus x. So this one minus this one. So 0 to x, it will be 1 plus x minus x square by 2 minus x. So if I simplify, I get y2 equals to 1 plus, this is 1 integration x, so this is x minus x cube by 6, and this is 0 to x. So this is 1 plus x minus x cube by 6, this is y2. Similarly, we can find y3. So what about y3? This will be same, y naught plus integration x naught to x f of x y2 dx. So y naught was 1, integration 0 to 1 f of x, y2 means this one, 1 plus x minus x cube by 6 dx. So it will be 1 plus, this is this minus this, so integration we get 1 minus x cube by 6, so we get 1 plus, the integration is x minus x to the power 4 by 24, so this is 1 plus x minus x to the power 4 by 24. So we may stop here or we can go further, say y3. So finally if I stop here, so y3 we have got 1 plus x minus x to the power 4 by 24. Say this is the solution. Say this is the solution. So now what we have to find? At x equals to 0.2. So at x equals to 0.2, y3 will be 1 plus 0.2 minus 0.2 power 4 by 24, and you get the desired answer. So that is Picard method. So what is basically Picard method is that it is one iterative method. So initially we have to use the condition, initial condition, and we got the iterative formula. So from y0 we get y1, from y1 we get y2, and so on. So you can do first 3 to 4 steps, and then you can put the particular value whichever you want. Okay, so that's all for this class. So today's class, what we have discussed, let's do a brief recall. We discussed the preliminary idea of ordinary differential equation. Then we have discussed what is the importance of numerical methods in differential equation solution. Then we have discussed very important Picard method. So this lesson will continue, and we will do some more problem and some new method. Thank you.